Hello everyone, good time. I'm Masoud Bakhtiari. I'm a structural engineer. In this step, we teach simple beam shear design. After the simple beam design is finished, now it is turn of the shear design of the simple beam. As you can see, depending on the whether our shear rebar value is greater or less than the minimum shear rebar value, the shear strength relationship of the concrete beam are determined. After calculating the required parameters to obtain the nominal shear strength of a simple beam concrete, with the relationships proposed by ACI 318.19, we calculated the nominal shear strength of concrete. The nominal shear strength of concrete is 62 kips, and also the value of VAU, or the value of ultimate or factored shear load in the beam is 22 kips. So the value of our existing VU is less than the nominal shear strength. So we consider the value of the minimum shear reinforcement for this beam. Now we want to obtain the minimum amount of shear reinforcements for this beam. So first, we obtain parameters related to the design of the minimum shear reinforcement, and then we obtain the minimum amount of shear reinforcements with the relation proposed by ACI. Now, we want to obtain the minimum amount of shear reinforcements for this beam. So first, we obtain the parameters related to the design of the minimum shear reinforcement, and then we obtain the minimum amount of shear reinforcements with the relations proposed by ACI. Because the amount of shear in the beam is less than the value mentioned in the line 1, therefore there is no need for minimum reinforcement in the calculations, but we replace the amount of minimum shear reinforcement in the second line for the implementation requirement. Therefore, according to the relationships presented in line 2, we set the value of the minimum value of the shear reinforcement equal to the maximum of these two values. And then with the value of the distance of the reinforcement, which is shown as S, we obtain, and from this value and the relation in the third column, we choose at the least this value as the distance of the rebars. Due to the fact that we will choose reinforcement number 4, so the distance between the reinforcement or rebar was equal to 10 inches. Outputting from ETABS and providing details in CSI Details software by choosing these parameters that we obtained in manual design, as you can see, it satisfies the shear force requirement along the length of the beam. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like this video and support us to more video and more tutorial.